Some friends coming together today, this weekend. Get together for a little Saturday cookout. Cluj way of cabbage. That's for the barbecue.
Paprika, onion, and marar ardei.
Look great.
Then we got that. It's not finished.
No.
The smell,
I can smell very strong.
very good.
Yeah. And as things are heating up outside, I'm going to have a little soup that I just heated up. This is going to be a full day of eating. And usually I stay away from carbohydrates. Usually eat mainly a carnivore diet. But today is Saturday, and going to do it good. Do it good. Full day of eating. Soup's all heated up. Time for a little bowl of soup. And this soup is made with beef, carrots, paprika, sour cream, little red pepper. Going to dig into this right now.
Să vedem mizeria de sub unii.